In this session, I will explain options related to font group available in the Home tab. See, in the Home tab only font group is available. Okay, we can have different options related to font. So, to apply any of these options, first you have to select the matter or text to which you want to apply the related option. So, we have some text here. You have to select particular text to which you want to apply. Suppose you can select this particular line by clicking and dragging using mouse. I am clicking here and dragging. Hold the button, mouse button, and drag it. So the text highlighted. Now which option you select, that option will be applied to this selected area. You can also select the text using keyboard. Suppose I am here, cursor is there. So if you want to select from here to here, now hold down the shift key in the keyboard and left arrow key. Left arrow. So it will be highlighted to left, and if your cursor is in the starting position and hold down the shift and press the right arrow key in the keyboard, so the particular line will get highlighted. Now you can select any of these options. That particular option will be applied to the selected area. Okay, now see this first option. You can select the font, particular font that can be applied to that highlighted text. So you can select the font according to your requirement and the style you need, for example like this, and the appearance will be like this as per the font. So I am placing Arial black. Okay, and if you change some other font, suppose Calibri light, it will be like this. And you can also change the size of the font using these options. Okay, and you can also change the size of the font by using these two options. Suppose increasing the font, see, and decreasing the font. And you have a shortcut key to change the size of the font, that is, hold down the Control Shift and use greater than symbol, greater than or less than. Less than means it will decrease the size of the font, and greater than means it will automatically increases the size of the font. The thing is, first you have to hold the Control and Shift buttons and increase by using greater than symbol and decrease using less than symbol. Okay, so that is the shortcut key. Or otherwise here also we have to increase or to decrease, or otherwise you can select here also to increase or to decrease the size of the font. And next, here we have change case option. We can change the case of the text what you selected. For example, here sentence case. Sentence case means in each and every sentence, suppose this is not a sentence, this is the sentence, complete sentence I have. So, select this sentence. Now, we can apply easily. Already that is in sentence case. So, in the starting of the sentence, the first letter will be, suppose I will be capital and M will be capital. So, that's what the sentence case. And if you change it to lower case, it will becomes lower. All characters will get lower case. Even M also change it to lower. And once again I am changing to sentence case. Now see, in after each and every sentence, first character will be in capital letter. And if you want to change all characters to uppercase, you can change to uppercase. And capitalize each and every word. Each and every word, first character capital. M, W, I, A, W, and each and every word first character will be in capital letter. And toggle case, reverse to that. In each and every word, first character will be in small letter. And usually we will type in sentence case if it is the sentence. So, this is the starting case. Okay. And if you want the particular word, for example, this Microsoft I want in capital. So, uppercase. Okay, like that you can change the case of the text which is already in the document. Okay, you can change to any text. Next one is, this is clearing all formats. I will tell you later after applying these formats. And here this is bold. See the shortcut available for each and every option. Control B is the shortcut. So, using shortcuts, you can quickly apply that particular option. For example, I am selecting this particular sentence. Already that is in bold format. If you don't want that, Control B, you can deselect, or you can say Control B in the keyboard. Hold on the Control CTRL and B. See, automatically without mouse I am applying that particular option. Once again, if you press Control B, means again dehighlighted, deselected. Again Control B. If you try to apply shortcut keys, then your documentation will be very fast in preparation. So, not only in MS Word, every work you can do quickly using shortcuts, not using mouse. Of course, in initial stages you try to apply using mouse, and gradually you try to apply those options using keyboard shortcuts, because these shortcuts are almost same in number of applications. Suppose if you go to Excel or somewhere else, PowerPoint, everywhere all these shortcuts are similar. So, if you learn these shortcuts, if you try to apply these shortcuts in one application, means you can apply everywhere. Suppose this is italic. Italic I am applying Control I, deselecting the italic. See, otherwise you can apply through mouse also. And if you want to underline, Control U, or otherwise click here. Okay, underlines are different types. if you click the arrow key near underline near you will get more options. You will get double underline and you will get different styles of underlines, and you can change the color of the underlines also by selecting these options. See, underline color changed, and you can select double underline. So like that we have different options. And if you want to strike it out, strike through option is there. See, but it is not having any shortcut key directly. Why? Because frequently we used to apply bold, italic, underline. That's why they are having shortcuts. And if you want to apply this strike through, you have to click here, select and deselect. And two more options are there, that is subscript and superscript. Superscript and subscript. For example, 10th, you want to type 10th. If you use space bar, automatically MS Word recognizes it is TH must be in superscript. In this case, automatically it will do. And suppose you type second space, after typing and applying space bar, automatically MS Word recognizes that will be in superscript. Okay, but in such a cases like this, suppose I want 2 square, but MS Word knows only that is 22, it doesn't know 2 square. So in this case, select this 2 and go for superscript. Select this second 2. So I want 2 square here, select this second 2 and apply superscript. Now it will goes to top. And if you want 2 base 2, then subscript like this. 22 became 2 base 2. And if you want like this, suppose 2 base 10, because that is already in subscript area. Like that you can change the superscript or subscript. You can power it or you can base it. Okay. And if you don't want that, means deselect that one. Again it became 210, not the 2 base 10. Like that you can make scripting super or sub. And we have option here, that is text effects and typography. We are having different kinds of styles here. You can apply any kind of style, including sub options, like these are the base styles including shadows, everything, and you can select the sub options also. See, we can change the different colors of outlines, and we can apply shadows also, different shadows, and we can apply different reflections and glows, everything. See the effects. Okay, like that we have different types of styles here, right? And this is the option text highlighting color. Text highlighting color, suppose text formatting, this option I am selecting. If you want to highlight with color, highlighted, the text highlighted with the specified color, not the text color. Text color still it is in black. If you want to change the text color, then there is option here, you select and you change to some other color what you need, suppose red color. text highlighting is in yellow and text color is in red, and you can change to any option what you selected, any text what you selected, and we have different types of highlights also, okay, like that. And if you don't want this text highlight, select that one and no color, remove the highlighted one. And even here also, if you don't want, you can deselect some options. Otherwise, there is an option that is clear formats, clear all formats. Suppose I don't want all these formats what I applied to this particular text, then highlight, select this one and select this clear formats. And for this also, I don't want these effects or colors. Not only colors, what are the effects you place to that? Even I am selecting all these options, I don't want this. Just simply finally click on clear formats. It will clear the total formats what you placed to that particular text. Okay, these are the basic options available in the font group. But if you want more options, for example, for this I want to apply more options. So select this one and click the corner arrow, right side available here. Now it will open font dialog box. Here we have more options. What are the options? Here we are having those options also available here. In addition, we have extra options. See the fonts. All the fonts we can select any one. The preview is available here. How it will be? You can check it out in the preview. And you can say italic it, bold italic it, and you can change the size and underline styles you can apply here, and font color also you can apply here. What are the options available here? Those options including extra options. Suppose double strike through is available here, not there. Okay, and superscript, subscript, all these options are available. And we have advanced options also, even small caps, all caps, hidden, like these options. Advanced options also available. Suppose you want scaling, not sizing, scaling, spacing between characters you want. Suppose I am removing this double strike through and I want space between these characters. So you can scale it, suppose 150. So freely it will scale the text what we selected, and scale it, and spacing is separate option again. Expanded, condensed option is there. Expanded option, point by point we can expand space between the characters. Okay, and condensed means not expanding, condensing. It is reducing the space between characters. So of course this is normal one, and you can expand it, you can condense it, and you can place raised or lower position like superscript or subscript. These adjustments are sometimes required, so you need to know all these options. And open type feature like ligature here, and some other number spacing, if that is number spacing is available. So all these options you can apply according to your requirement. But remember, don't set it as default. If you set it as default means whenever you open automatically this will be the default setting to all the typing text. So don't set as default. Just for this only, finally you can select OK. I applied all the options available and finally set OK. Okay, so the font dialog will give you the options more than available options in the font group. Okay, I don't want these settings, so finally I am clearing with clear fonts. So this is basically font settings. Okay, next we will see paragraphs in the next session.